Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, just about 10:20 in Honolulu, 4:20 in New York. It is Monday, July 18th, 2016, and we are looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, although with very, very light volume, 20% below the 20-day moving average of volume. We do have a new record high, 18,533, up 16.5 points on the day. S&P also trading higher and also trading to a new time high, up 6.5 points at 2059.25. Let's take a look at our first chart. So traders, here we are, 2160. This is the Standard & Poor's 500 vis-a-vis the E-mini. Absolutely new high, record high on the day and on the week. Of course, the week has just started, and that's why this candle size is so small. But we are in summer volume at this point. But the one thing that we have to realize more than anything else, and it becomes quite evident as I compress this chart, is exactly how significant this move is. But traders over the last couple of years, this being 2015, all of 2015, 2016, we can take that back. This is the first time we actually flirted with these highs. Let's go put in our year marker, but this, of course, is the beginning of 2015 here, and that is when we came in and made these new highs. At that point, we really hit this glass ceiling, and we had tremendous headwinds coming into the market, keeping it in a very narrow range, 2120 on the high side. On the low side, we had about 2050. And so for the better part of the first half of 2015, of course, we were deadlocked in this very, very narrow range right here. Now, that was all to change because we had the first of a couple of meltdowns. This I've labeled our August meltdown. This comes in on concern of the Chinese economy. And this was really our pre-Christmas meltdown of last year, coming in just before about October of last year. Here is our 2016 marker. And then at the beginning of this year, we had yet a lower low. In fact, this is the lowest low that the Standard & Poor's had traded to since hitting these record tops. And so from there, from the ashes, I should say, we saw the Phoenix rise on the second of this double bottom. In other words, came up, came back down. We came close. Small retracement came close. A little bit deeper retracement actually taking us below 2,000. But then up and away, we have a clear and decisive breakout. We now have support at 2120. And I am, in terms of the top that I'm looking for in this market, I think we could see the Standard & Poor's trade as high as 2,200. Traders, crazy moves in currencies. Japanese yen at 106.13, up 1.5% on the day. This is a daily chart. Look at this move, and then considering the move that we had last week in which it came off of that 100, right, get my pointer up, but right here, we've seen it move 6 basis points plus over the last week. So on a technical basis, and I've just converted it to a weekly chart so we could get a better sense or feel, we can see absolutely we do have support at 100 on the yen. Our next real target or level is this particular top, and this top came in at 2009. I'm going to try and draw it straight across, but it comes in roughly at 110. So I believe we've got another 4 basis points to the upside in the Japanese yen on a technical basis. And traders, lastly, do want to take a look at crude oil. Crude oil down about 1.5%, 72 cents per barrel on the decline, 45.23. As you know, I am on record, and I still adamantly believe that we should, or could, I should say, see crude oil continue to drift lower. My target is between $42 and $44 per barrel. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading. We'll talk to you tomorrow for another Trending Markets. Bye-bye.